When it comes to robotic tech devices, lawnmowers are by far the most life-changing, and this right here is the new One Plus from our sponsor Lymow, which I have set up at my new house where we finally got our grass in, and I've been testing it out for the last couple of weeks, and I'm convinced that this is by far the most heavy-duty and customizable robotic lawnmower on the market that actually mows like a real traditional mower, thanks to features like the Lycut System 2.0 with dual steel rotary blades, RTK VSLAM navigation with AI vision obstacle avoidance, its rugged tank-like track system, and more. But before we get into these incredible features like the ability to have it mow in the middle of the night, as well as the insane level of customization you get with the app, like being able to adjust the mow angle to your liking, I've gotta first run through the unboxing and setup. It all comes in a single box, so all you have to do is connect the internal battery, then place the charging base station outside, then you plug it in, and then stake the RTK antenna in the ground, or mount it up somewhere, plug it in, and that's it. Then you simply download the app, connect the mower and the RTK antenna by scanning the QR code, bind it, and it's all ready to go. And after that comes the fun part, which is mapping out your grass zones, which, believe it or not, I have the Lymow set up to mow both my backyard and my front yard, which is incredibly convenient. It actually supports up to 80 different zones covering 15 acres, which is crazy. And the way you map out a zone is by using your iPhone like an RC car controller, controlling the mower all the way around the perimeter of your grass. And yes, by the way, it also supports no-go zones. And then when you're done, you can see the entire outline of your lawn right on your phone. And then I remote controlled it all the way around the side of my house, through my entire driveway and onto my front lawn. Then I pressed new zone and then mapped out my front lawn. Then you simply have to create a channel to connect both of the zones, and that's it, you're ready to mow. Everything from here on out happens within the app with no more manual intervention ever again. And then being able to drive away from your house, watching it mow your lawn, is just simply incredible. And the best part is that you can also schedule it to mow on a daily basis or every couple of days, even being able to mow in the middle of the night, which is actually surprisingly quiet while in eco mode, so it's not gonna wake any of the neighbors up. And the awesome thing about the way it works is that it takes off just the top layer of your grass, and the tiny little grass clippings fall back down and become fertilizer for your lawn, so you never have to worry about bagging ever again. But now, with all that said, let's go through the top features first before I go hands-on with the app to show you everything you can customize. Feature number one is its Lycut System 2.0, which has dual rotary blades which use high rigidity SK5 tool steel, which gives you stronger cutting force compared to other robotic lawn mowers that just have like a spinning disc with these little razor blades that can easily get dented or damaged. You can also adjust the cutting height from just 1.2 inches to 4 inches high thanks to Lymow's Genius system, where both the front floating deck and the mower itself can adjust the height up and down, and it uses these really cool Omni wheels, which can turn basically any way, making it easy to navigate. And it also has a single discharge port on the side, so that cyclone airflow will direct the clippings out of that hole. Now for feature number two, we have the tank-like track system made for basically any terrain, being super heavy duty, being able to cross any bumps and obstacles that are up to 2.8 inches high. It also has rugged track treads, which give you great traction on basically any type of terrain. So if you have sandy soil, if you have some wet swampy areas, dense grass, anything, it'll be able to go through, and even up to slopes up to 45 degrees or 100% grade without slipping or slowing down. And for feature number three, it has industry-leading mowing efficiency and battery life with a combination of the very wide 16-inch cutting width and 6,000 RPM high-speed blades, covering up to over half an acre of grass per charge, thanks to its large 528 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery, which lasts a long time, over 2,000 charge cycles, giving you very stable performance season after season. And the charging speed is actually very fast, up to 90 minutes to get from 10% to 90%. For feature number 4, it has RTK satellite positioning, which is very reliable, and VSLAM, which uses AI and 3D vision to navigate without requiring the installation of perimeter wires. So it's very quick and easy to set up with real-time obstacle and animal detection and avoidance for safe, uninterrupted mowing. And it also has advanced path planning algorithms that efficiently cover complex lawns in clean and pattern routes. Just look at how perfect these lines turned out since it's using this technology to navigate. I mean, these lines are straighter than a human can do. For feature number 5, it's also very safe for pets and kids since it uses 5 ultrasonic sensors and 2 Hall sensors that work together to prevent collisions. It also has off-ground detection, which stops the blades instantly if the deck is lifted. And you can see the obstacle avoidance in real time right here, where if you left a toy or something right here on the grass, it'll automatically go around it. And there's also an emergency stop button, which halts blade rotation in under a second, and they're not gonna turn back on until you power it off and on again, so it's safe around kids. And for feature number 6, it's got a very heavy duty design using a reinforced aluminum alloy frame, and it has IPX6 water resistance, so the entire thing is protected from rain, dust, and debris, so you can just leave it parked outside without worrying about it. And now let me quickly go through the app to show you the kind of customization you can do. So right here you can see I have my lawnmower robot. Here's my zones, here's my front lawn, the channel all the way to the back. Right here you can customize your global settings, or you can customize them based on each zone. So right here you have the moving speed. I had it set to 0.8 meters a second. You can also adjust the cutting height here. You can also do the blade speed, which you can go to power, turbo. So far I've just used standard and eco, which work great. I used eco when I was mowing at night. It was actually nice and quiet. And then advanced settings, you can adjust the path spacing. You can also adjust the stripe angle. Here you can see you could either have it auto-optimized based on its own kind of AI algorithms, or you could do user-defined. So you can spin the angle. You could even have it do a cross pattern where once it finishes, it'll do it the opposite way to give you essentially a checkerboard effect. So if you set it to 90 degrees, you get a checkerboard, which is really cool. Then here you can actually change the mowing order. So you can do either the perimeter first or the main area first. For obstacle detection, you can do smart or touch only with the little bumpers in the front. Same thing for the perimeter obstacle detection if you want to customize that. You can also change the way the perimeter mowing will work in terms of clockwise or counterclockwise. You can also change the amount of laps around the perimeter, so you could do 2 or 3 if you want it to be nice and clean and clear. I just have it set to 1. For the safe margin mode, you could either do offset away from the edge or precise right on the edge, very close to the perimeter, which minimizes the amount you actually have to go and weed whack to get rid of whatever's left over. You can also change the deck height when it's driving over a channel, so you can raise it up to have it avoid kind of scraping if you have grades on your concrete. Right here, you could actually turn on the camera, which you can access from anywhere, so let's try it. There you go, you can see it's looking at its charging station. So imagine if you have it mowing, you can access it and see what it sees while mowing. You could also go back and click this little game controller button, which this will allow you to essentially move it around like an RC car. It uses a Bluetooth connection, so you have to be close by to be able to control it. And you can turn on the flashlight, the strobe lights in the front. You can edit your map and add more zones. So for example, if you tap on that while you're nearby, you can add different no-go zones and everything. So lots of different things you can do here. You can have it go and mow with just the push of a button. You could also go ahead and just select one zone if you just want it to mow, or if you have nothing selected, it'll do everything. And then in the settings, you can cancel the current task, whatever it's doing at any time. You have device settings like recharge, resume. You could actually have it automatically recharge at any time, basically right here. Headlight mode you can change, so it'll avoid using the headlight at certain times if you want it. You can turn on the rainy mowing or turn that off, the vehicle LED, the handbrake in case you have an incline where your charging station is at, you can turn that on so it'll basically stop and won't slide off. And then when it returns to dock, you can change it from follow perimeter to direct route, and you have the audio volume right there. Here you have schedules, so you can basically adjust and create any kind of schedule. So you can tap right here, you can go ahead and set up your schedule with all of your different stuff. So you can change the stripe angle based on a schedule as well. So you could do every other day an angle like this, and then do an opposite schedule for a different angle. You even have Find My Robot, and you have, of course, things like the over-the-air update as well. So as you saw, this is probably the most customizable robot lawnmower out there. So with all that said, I am extremely happy with the Lymow 1 Plus, giving me my freedom back, allowing me to do whatever I want to do, just let it take care of the lawn, fully automated, even at night or in the rain. It's just incredible, very heavy duty. The build quality is amazing. The battery life is amazing. So if you're ready to stop worrying about your lawn and let a robot take care of it, I'll have the links to the Lymow 1 Plus down in the description and pinned comment below. Once again, thank you Lymow for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you in the next one.